Oh my God, the last 24 hours have been absolutely insane. So we managed to launch the video scorecard, and yes, as always, when you do launch something, there are small little technical issues. What we were doing is we uploaded 1,000 intro videos into the database for the AI to understand what we're looking for, our own prompts. We've been working on these prompts for the last 8 months. We added another 1,000 in there as well. So as we were uploading, we also had the page live as well. So there was a couple of errors, but now it's live. And we have had so many messages where people are like, Joel, I don't believe you get 97% rejection. I'm like, okay, if you've just said to me that you don't believe that we reject 97% of applications, put your application in, right? Put your intro video into the software. Let's see what you get. You know what they got? They got rejected, right? It's insane. Like, guys, you need to believe me when I say 97% of every intro video that being sent to us or to clients, or when you're reaching out to clients and you're trying to land roles, people aren't looking at them. It's getting absolutely insane. So I'm going to quickly jump into my screen. I'm going to try and figure out how to do that now while I'm running live on here. But I want to show you what we've built, right? Because I'm super proud of it. It's going to save so much time for us. And why do we do this? There's three reasons, right? One, yes, we want to make sure that we're handling our time correctly. We have a team of 3 every single day going through intro videos and approving or rejecting. The majority of the times they're rejecting. So it's going to also allow us to systematize our system. 2, we're going to figure out exactly who stands out, who's the top 3%, so we can actually get you placed faster. And 3, we also are going to be targeting to get 40,000 closers into our database by the end of the year. Like, it's crazy. It's absolutely insane. We've got 27,000 closers in the database already. We've got 4,700 that have the intro videos. The other ones just, oh God, yeah, the other ones are just an absolute mess. So we're waiting for them to get back. But let me share my screen. Let me see if I can do this. Let me see if I know how to do this. Let's have a look. So that's the wrong button. That's fine. How do I get the other button to work? So bear with me, guys. We're going to get here. We're going to get to this very shortly. So is it this one? What if I hide this and give this one? No. What if it's this one? It's not that one either. See if I can bring that over anyway. There you go. Okay, fine. I'm going to bring it over here. Okay, so you guys can see this. Let me open this up. Can I make this bigger? There we go. So just going to quickly show you today. Here we go. So we have launched the video sales platform. Let me show you what it is here. So this is what it looks like. Okay. There we go. So this is what it looks like. So as you can see here, 97% of all intro videos get rejected. Most closers never get interviewed. Be part of the 3%. Find out if your intro video will get you hired. Get our feedback of dedicated recruiters' experience and so forth. Some of you guys may not know, but I am dyslexic, so I can't read and write properly. So as I'm trying to read it out, I do struggle. I can't read a teleprompter. So that's another crazy thing. I can't read teleprompters. Anyway, so you go into here and then it's only $7. Why $7? Just because we need to pay for credits. So it just covers the costs on our side as well. This is everything that it does. And then also as well, what we're doing is once we give out the scorecards, you get an email and you get a WhatsApp. And then it also gives you the ability to jump into the community. In the community, you will have an unlimited amount of the video scorecard to try. And we're adding so much more, right? It's going to be trainings, it's going to be how to land jobs and so forth. But I'm not going to bore you with that right now. What I want to quickly show you in here real quick is, so we're getting a few people now signing up. So that's over the last 24 hours. So people are coming in. It's exciting. It's exciting. Oh, anyway, that's something for something else. Cool. Anyway, with that being said, let me see if I can stop this. Let me go over here. Let me bring this back. Hey, there you go. Anyway, that's it. My hair's crazy. I'm an absolute mess. But that's fine. There's no editing going on. We're just going to blast it out like this. This is now day 5 of the challenge to get 1,000 closers into our community within the next 5 months. Ciao for now.